Greeting everyone. In this video I will show you how to get a diagram using AI, system diagrams, use case, classes, and architecture diagrams in well known and well mentioned, and it is important to discover by developers or team in order to explain more your IT infrastructure and project. Before that, subscribe to the channel guys. So all what you need to do, open browser and then go press eraser, and you will have this one, Razer AI. First link, open it, then go for log. So I will go with login with Google, as I mentioned, the techie solution. I will just write something here. So I will mention my team, continue, I will just continue without invitation, I will give it a photo, I will skip, and get started. Here guys, you will go for generate an AI diagram. And here I have my architecture in code. Whether guys you want to have as he will say like a schema, infrastructure, definition, code snapshot, and so on. I will just have a documentation and code. I will put it here as an example generated by AI to give you the output results. So I will wait a bit of minutes. After guys waiting for generation, I have this output one as my prompt is here. So just many application of creating mockups, and you will have the reusable UI and the components and so on. All what you need to do, you can press on it. You can have deletion. You can have the updates and so on as code one and so on. So that is guys how to get diagram with fully AI one, and you can export the selection. And you choose which type of the selection of exports, and that's it. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.